Seniors, did you know that low libido isn't just about aging? It's often a silent hormone imbalance no one warns you about. Stay with me, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss powerful health tips that can help you live stronger and more vibrant every day. Low libido in seniors is more common than many realize, yet it often remains unspoken. For both men and women, declining desire in later years isn't just about age. It's often linked to hidden hormone imbalances that go unnoticed. One of the biggest players is testosterone. Men lose about 1% of testosterone every year after age 60. This decline impacts libido, muscle mass, energy, and even sleep. But women also need testosterone. After menopause, lower testosterone in women contributes to reduced desire and fatigue. Estrogen is another key hormone. In women, estrogen drops sharply after menopause. This leads to dryness, discomfort during intimacy, and a decline in sexual interest. Nearly half of postmenopausal women report sexual problems, mainly due to hormone shifts. Men also rely on balanced estrogen. Too much or too little can interfere with testosterone and lower desire. Harvard studies show that belly fat in men often converts testosterone into estrogen. This imbalance reduces desire and may cause erectile problems. Cortisol, the stress hormone, also plays a silent role. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels. High cortisol suppresses both testosterone and estrogen. This leaves many seniors feeling tired, anxious, and disconnected from their partners. Thyroid hormones also matter. Both underactive and overactive thyroid can reduce libido. Research links untreated thyroid disorders with lower sexual satisfaction in older adults. The good news, low libido in seniors doesn't have to be permanent. Lifestyle choices can help rebalance hormones naturally. Exercise, especially resistance training, boosts testosterone in both men and women. Eating foods rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants supports hormone health. And good sleep is a natural hormone booster. Just 1 week of poor sleep can lower testosterone by 15% in men. For seniors, the effect is even stronger. Women benefit from foods rich in phytoestrogens. Soy, flax seeds, and chickpeas help balance hormones. Studies show women who eat soy isoflavones enjoy better lubrication and improved sexual function. Open communication with doctors is also important. Hormone testing can uncover imbalances. Sometimes lifestyle changes are enough. Other times, hormone replacement therapy under medical care may help. The truth is, low libido in seniors is not just about aging. It's about hormones working either for or against you. By addressing imbalances in testosterone, estrogen, cortisol, and thyroid, seniors can rediscover intimacy, energy, and confidence. Later years can still be vibrant, connected, and fulfilling. Natural remedies for low libido in seniors: exercise regularly. Resistance training and walking boost testosterone, improve circulation, and lift mood. Eat hormone-supportive foods. Zinc-rich foods: pumpkin seeds, shellfish, omega-3 South salmon, walnuts, and antioxidants, berries. Leafy greens support hormone balance, include phytoestrogens for women. Soy, flax seeds, chickpeas, and lentils help ease menopause-related hormone changes. Prioritize good sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Poor sleep lowers testosterone and disrupts estrogen balance. Manage stress. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, prayer, or yoga reduce cortisol, which protects testosterone and estrogen levels. Maintain healthy weight. Reducing belly fat lowers estrogen conversion in men and keeps testosterone active. Stay hydrated and limit alcohol. Proper hydration and reduced alcohol intake improve energy and sexual response. Consider medical evaluation. Hormone testing can uncover imbalances. Treatments like hormone replacement therapy, under medical supervision, may help when lifestyle changes aren't enough. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the very best of living with Dr. Promise. Together, we'll keep uncovering simple, research-backed ways to help you live stronger, healthier, and more fulfilled every single day.